Our next step is to create a Play Again button. Go to the Create Sprite area and choose the Paint option and call this sprite Play. In the Costumes area, use the Text tool to type the words Play Again. Use the Control and drag to make it slightly bigger. And in the Preview area, you can position the sprite roughly where you want it. Edit your full color, choosing a color that will look good on both red and green backgrounds. Then use the Rectangle tool to draw over your text and send the rectangle to the back. Adjust the size of the rectangle if you need to. In the Code area, drag it when the flag is clicked block. And in our preview, we can edit the position and put X to 0 so that the button's exactly in the center. Then in the Code area, we can drag in the correct location. Then I can say, next we can code the visibility of the button. When we receive play, we want to hide it. And when we receive win and loss, we want to show it. Note that you can duplicate your code to make the process faster. The next thing we need to do is control its behavior. When the sprite is clicked, we're wanting to broadcast play. So let's give this a quick test. I can run my code, and if I lose, the button appears correctly. Remember that the timer is on the stage, and you can change it for testing purposes. And if we win, we can also play again. If an emoji is in the way of the button, you can edit this by going onto your stage and make the necessary adjustments, keeping an eye on the preview. If you're running low on time, please submit this game and move on to the next assignment. Having said that, we notice that if the user's arrow is a little bit far to the right, as soon as they start the game, they crash. We can make this a better game by putting in another sprite. Let's create a new sprite and call it Start. Then in the Costumes area, choose a suitable color and press space to start. Position your text to see how it looks, and a rectangle background if necessary. In the Code area, when the flag is pushed, we can position our text. When we receive play, we want to show. Drag in a forever block and also an if block. Then in the Sensing area, choose if the space button is pressed. We're going to broadcast a new message, and that message is start. And once we've done that, we can hide. Then go onto your boat sprite and split your code by removing the forever block. Bring in a when I receive and change it to when I receive start. We can go ahead and test it. So now when I push the green flag, nothing happens until I push space, and we can confirm that that works as expected.